When you get a bladder infection, you're in trouble. You're welcome.
So the first ewe that we brought home panicked because the girls attacked him and he ran into the woods and never came back out. So we went and got another ewe today. This is the new ewe 2.0. And we've separated him properly from the girls for now, so he learns that this is his home. We've got food and water in there. I'm gonna get his shelter ready that he can go in and out of, but he's got a lot of shade. And then tonight we'll move the pallet out of the way. Late at night when it's dark and the girls are set up in the coop, we'll move the pallet and we'll let him go in so they all kind of wake up together in the morning. So we'll see. Hopefully this one works out better than the last one.
It's already better.
Already, yeah, way better. Way better setup this time.
He's already eating the stuff he just threw down.
Yeah. He hears them.
And there's his ladies. He'll meet soon. He's a big boy. He's not even full grown yet.
Go take a drink.
What do you guys think?
He hears ya. He hears you girls.
Out bigger than you guys. Peek. So Hugh, number 2, is doing well. All is well. They're all together. Last night, you see this divider here. We had the divider, like, that's just a couple pallets with a piece of plywood on it. But we had that up there, and then we had the pallet here, which you've seen. Well, our plan was to move that out of the way, the pallet, come night when they go to bed, so then they just wake up and he's there, right? We went out to do that last night, and we could see it coming up, he's not there. He wasn't over in his side. So we're like, man, he must have jumped it or something. We weren't sure, so I went around. Luckily, we have the window on that side now, and there he was up in the top perch. Already made his way in there. So then this morning we came out. They're all together, like they've sorted things out already. So that's awesome. Hugh now runs the mansion. We're gonna start the siding. We're gonna start by putting a board here. This is right up on this end, and it's gonna wrap around, and it's gonna continue right along here. So then what we'll do is we'll just bring our boards right up to that, our vertical boards, right up to that one. We'll go from there. We're gonna get everything out and get at her.
So we just chalked a line up here. I was just checking the level to make sure it's all good, but that would be weird if it wasn't, so we're all good.
Well, that's it for today. It's Father's Day, right? So my
Yeah.
dad's coming.
We're gonna have a little barbecue and let Jeremy relax for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Well, if they weren't coming, we'd probably keep working a bit.
Yeah.
It is getting pretty hot though. It's gonna be another hot day. But we got it started anyway. We got this corner done.
Yeah. Looks awesome. We love the hemlock look.
Freaking right.
This is like a cove is what they call it, and we love that space.
Yeah, the cut in it.
Going vertical looks awesome. We're super impressed so far.
Man, just so nice to cover up the Tyvek, right?
Oh man, we've been looking at that for 2 years.
Yeah. So at least the front end's only 1 year old.
Yeah.
You open a can of worms telling me about
Oh
that.
yes, right.
You get the pros.
Yeah.
It says 8 weeks on the package.
Yeah.
8 weeks on the package. You want to close that up? I'd rip the Tyvek off, redo the whole house.
Yeah, probably.
No, somebody actually said that.
Oh my soul.
Rip the Tyvek. Okay then.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably compromised underneath all the wood.
The whole
probably
house
compromised.
molded, right? It's gonna rot.
It's ruined. You know what I mean?
Anyway, it looks pretty. We like it. Tyvek's
no,
still
it's gonna.
good.
Yeah, it's gonna be sweet to have it covered.
Yeah.
All right.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Yeah, and have a good one. Happy weekend anyway.
Yeah.
Summer's here.
Woo!
Is it ever?
Yeah, it's hot.
It's been crazy. All right. Be
Bye.
completely naked probably by the end of the summer.
Yeah.
See ya.
Bye.